Hey everyone, RoDev here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make this kick system in Roblox Studio. So I'm going to type /kick in chat, then my username, and as you can see I've been kicked by the owner. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made this, and how you can do it for yourself in-game. So in server script service you want to create a script and put the script inside, and then name the script something like kick player, or kick players. And then inside that script, the very first thing I'm going to do is get a variable for the player's service. And then after that you want to create your kick command. So basically what you want to do is type /kick and put a space after the kick, and then put another speech mark right there. And then after that you want to create a function, so on owner chatted. So when the owner of the game actually sends a message, what we can do is grab the player that sent it and the message, and then basically what we're doing, or not the player that sent it, but the actual player that needs to be kicked. And now we're checking if it says kick, basically making sure it it says kick at the start of it, and then we're getting the name, we're getting the player to kick, and then if the player to kick is still in the game, then we can kick them and leave them with a nice message: you have been kicked by the owner. I'm just going to make this an exclamation mark so I can prove to you guys that this works. So at the end of the video when we do it again, make sure you're looking for that exclamation mark. Right here we couldn't find the player, so they probably just left the game, or they did leave the game. Right here we're checking when a player joins the game, we're getting the player, and if the player's user ID is the game's creator ID, and the game's creator type is a actual player, so it's not a group, then what we're doing is waiting for that player to send a message. And then if that player sends a message, what we're doing is grabbing what the message was, and then basically just putting it through the function, and up here we're picking it up as message right there, as you can see. And then after that what we're doing is just connecting the player added event down here, and right here this is just calling the event in for players that are like already in the game. And then yeah, it's pretty much the script right here. And yeah, you guys don't really actually have to copy this whole script out. It's going to be in the description for you, the top of the description. So once you have this copied out, I'm actually showing you guys that it works. So once you have the script done, what you want to do is hit play. Make sure your game is published, by the way, to your account and not to a group. And what you can do after that is type /kick and then type in the name of a user. And as you can see, you get kicked and it's going to leave you with a message. As you can see, the message even changed, and that's exactly where you can customize the message. Just go to the script, go to the top, and make sure you customize it over here. And yeah, it's pretty much how you make a kick script inside Roblox Studio that only works for the owner. But yeah, other than that guys, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and even join the Discord server if you have any issues or questions. Yeah, other than that guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace.